Welcome back, everybody. We are on level 8 of lesson 24, mini project flyer game. And this is where you get to really have some fun. Grab a friend, see if you guys can play the game. And so it says review your game, test your game to make sure it has everything it needs. Do this, play your game several times, read over your project guide and the rubric. The rubric is more important for me personally, and check that you have followed your plan, make any last changes. So, that's when you call a buddy over and be like, hey, see if you can break my game. And if they can't break it, you're doing good. Um, Take any feedback that they may give you and fix it, tweak it, change it, and be ready to turn in an amazing game because I think this is going to be super exciting. I cannot honestly wait to see what you come up with because you do not have to use the same sprites I did. In fact, you probably won't be able to. Mine were I made myself. Um, but let me see what kind of game you create. And with that, have a great night. I'll see you in class. All right, bye.